Here today. That's why I figured maybe something would happen. Yeah, it's been raining and it's just kind of all around nasty out today.
Yeah, Jennifer. Yeah, well, she's going to dry up real good now. Sun's coming out finally. We got the rain coming later.
Hey, Roger. All right, man. Well, enjoy your day. I think Mother Nature's about to dip and dodge on us there, but hey, a pleasure talking to you, bud. I'll holler at you every time I hear you on there. We'll holler at you later. Weed killer down here in the Inglewood. We're stepping.
Catch you, weed killer. It's always a pleasure, man. Weakone, hand in the air. About it. Hearing a whole lot of conditions in my little radio. Got myself a little live feed going on Facebook. No doubt about it. Hearing a whole lot of noise on this little live feed up here around the state of Maine. They call me Mr. Screwdriver, Screwdriver, Screwdriver up here around the state of Maine.
Hey, Roger, Screwdriver. Screwdriver up here in the state of Maine. You got your own talk show going for real. Sounding good, bud. I got you on a video gate also. It's going to go on 700 weed killer there, but man, you are sounding good. I appreciate you. Holla. Appreciate it. Oh, weed, go back and listen.
Tennessee in there keying out. Didn't quite catch your numbers. Two big radios coming in at the same time, but I definitely heard a Tennessee coming in there. And I heard that weed killer coming in there saying he had a live gate going on too, so no doubt about it. You both rocking it up here around the state of Maine. That is for sure. They call me Mr. Screwdriver up here around the state of Maine. Hey, 101 Pop.
Hey, Roger, Screwdriver. I'm going to get out here and let some people get on that gate there with you. I appreciate the holler back, recognition. 700 weed killer. We're on the side listening.
236. No doubt about that 236. You definitely cleaned out my receive that time. I got it all and you said it all. No doubt about it. You sounded real good in my radio up here around the state of Maine, Mr. Screwdriver, we're telling you. 101 Possum waving a hand in the Buckeye State.
Top of the day, Possum. Hello, 327. I heard 327 jump in there for a quick hot one. Mr. 327, top of the day to you. Hope you're having a good one up there. Weed killer back here in Inglewood, Ohio, waving.
Now what about it? I was going up here in the state of Maine. 327 in the state of Maine. Hello.
Hey, Roger, 327. Mother Nature being finicky, but I did hear you in there, heard you in there twice, bud. So you have a good one. Be old weed killer back listening.
In the state of Maine, they call me Mr. Screwdriver, we're telling you. I get something. Oh, I just got a customer for one, so I'll do that.
Yes, yeah. Yes,
All that skip done rolling?
Hey, just taking a momentary break here.
Hey, where are you at?
I'm right between West Milton, right around the Miami County line there.
Oh, that's close to you, actually. We're heading down the interstate. We were just flipping through and heard some skip rolling. We're coming into Dayton now.
Hey, Roger. Hey, Roger, on that. Yeah, a couple times a day skip got rolling. That Maine's been about the only thing talking today, but I stuck my foot in the door. And, yeah, it's been so long since skip's been rolling.
Yeah, I thought I heard Louisiana and somewhere else too. Hey, this is the boss. Who am I talking to?
Oh, this is Weed Killer. They call me 700 Weed Killer.
Copy that, Weed Killer.
All right, but I missed your handle too. You're actually on a video gate right now for my YouTube channel, but I missed your handle too.
101 Possum, you're in the Buckeye.
Hey, all right, 101 Possum. You driving a big rig? Oh, okay. Okay, well, you're getting a little bit out of my range there, but if you want to hear how you sound on the radio up here, you can just get on my website. It'll be up here in a little bit. See what's going on. Pleasure talking to you. We'll holler at you later.
You too. Good talking to you.
Check, check.